Big T, TNT Garage Videos. All right, we got Dakota and Evie out riding today. They came down, had me take some photos of her, and just wanted to show you. They're out having a good time on the horses this morning. The weather's not cooperating very well. It looks like at any time the bottom could drop out. But I just thought I'd come down here and do a little bit of video for them, so she can show her mom and the world, especially on Facebook. And they just wanted me to come down and do this. Oops. Wow, they're way out there. I had it on super zoom. We'll go back. And away they go. All right, guys. Big T's going to the house. They're just gonna ride a little bit till it starts raining. So they're having them a nice riding day. So you guys take care. Saturday morning. God bless everybody. All right, throw some likes in there and hit the subscribe button. It'd be great. We'll see you later. Bye. Bye.